What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do a side part closure piece sewing. I put some glue in my hair too, so make sure y'all stay tuned. And I'm just grabbing my got to be spray and spraying all my edges back so they won't be in the way of the glue. So now I'm just cutting out the ears so I can have a more secure cap, and everything will be, neat. And now I'm just putting some got to be glue, the black kind, and I'm just putting it where I'm gonna have my lace at, so that part can be stuck to my head, so when I cut the cap off, the whole cap won't come off. So now I'm just grabbing some needle and thread, and I'm securing the cap some more, and I'm just sewing it all through the back. Not where the closure piece is gonna be yet, but I'm just sewing this in the back so the cap won't come up. So yeah. So now I'm just gluing the tracks in my hair, on the cap. I had sprayed the cap with some got to be spray too before I had put the glue and stuff on them. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing, just going around, and I'm stopping wherever the gel part is at, so I know like not to put no tracks like that to mess up the closure piece. And so I'm just cutting the cap, and just slicking it down so it can look like it's coming out the scalp. So now I'm just sewing the closure piece down. So y'all, when y'all put y'all closure piece on, make sure that it's where you want it to be before you sew it down, because once you sew it down, it's not gonna be able to come up. You're gonna have to get some scissors and cut the strings and then redo the whole process. So yeah, make sure it's in the right spot before you sew it down. Okay, so now what I'm doing is I'm just grabbing some hair out to make sure I know where I want my edges to be. And I'm grabbing enough where it's not too much edges. It's just the right amount. And so now I'm just getting some got-to-be spray, making sure that's sticky and tacky before I lay it down. Then I get the comb and lay it down. Y'all know the routine. So now I'm just melting my part so my part can be flat. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing. So I'm just using this wax stick that I got from my local beauty supply, and I'm just laying down all my flyaways and melting and molding the hair to like my likings. And yeah, so I'm just molding everything down, making sure everything's sleek and flat. So that's what I'm doing. Now I got my part how I want it. I'm just grabbing some foundation in my color skin tone or a little lighter, and I'm just making sure I, go over the part so it can look like a hairline. So another thing I wanted to say, don't use no darker color than your skin because it's not going to look right. It's going to look weird. So yeah, don't use no darker foundation in your skin tone to do your part. It's not going to look right. So now I'm just curling my hair with these pink curling irons that I got off of Amazon for the cheap. The link will be down below, so make sure y'all click that link to go get y'all some curling irons because, honey, I spent like I think $15 on these, and they work very well. And I had them for a couple of months now, so yeah, go get y'all some of these curling irons, sis, okay, period. And y'all, if y'all want me to do a curling tutorial on how to curl your hair, y'all can look at this video and see how I'm curling it, or y'all can say curling video down below in the comments, and I'm gonna make sure I get y'all a video, period. Okay, it's gonna be a one-on-one video, and it's gonna be very detailed and very easy to do. Okay, period. Thank you for watching. This is how it turned out. And this is when I crinkled it. Y'all can go get y'all some crinkles. The link will be down below at Amazon. And we out.